Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your Microsoft 365 activation, or basically subscription. So first of all, when you get to Microsoft 365 from here, you will notice that there is by Microsoft 365 through this area. In my case, that means that I don't really have subscription at all. I don't really have an ending date or a beginning date. I just need to buy it so I can check it. So in my case, I don't really own it in the first place. There is here other apps that you can check, but it will not work definitely since you do not have it but for those who have it bought and want to check the subscription, then as you can see right through here through this page, which is Microsoft support, you will find here through check expiry date. In it, you will find out when your Microsoft 365 subscription expires. So by clicking on it, they will take you to this page which has an article explaining its own details. Here we have check expiration status. So go to your subscription page. As you can see right here, are going to open the page for us real quick. And as you can see, this is my subscriptions. Here I have my PC, Xbox, so I don't really have Microsoft 365. As you can see, it is not really showing me the date. But for my Xbox, as you can see, it is showing me the next charge will be at the 11th of the 5th month, 2025. Then they will cut the money and they will charge my bank account. So this is how you could actually be using and checking your subscriptions within Outlook, and specifically for the Microsoft 365 subscription. So that was it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys enough for watching, and see you guys in the next video.